This is Jamie from Shanti Kai with a quick tip for you on working with our Anahata or heart chakra essence. So our chakra line of essence is really great to have around for the holiday, and especially our heart chakra, which can help with clearing and balancing emotional energies and energies of around that tend to congregate around the heart. So really good for working through forgiveness issues and opening your heart to higher levels of love and inspiration, emotional healing, emotional balance. So stress and tension that tends to come up around the holidays can leave you feeling a little bit tight, right? Or contracting inward, and sometimes even literally take your breath away or cause you to not be as in sync with, not as aware of how you're breathing or how you're holding your energy. And so this energy just inspires joy and upliftment. It helps to open your energy, open your aura, and just help uplift everything. It's an excellent essence. Also can be good, good for spraying around the heart chakra of the home. You can pair it with our root chakra for grounding, or our harmony essence for just helping to balance the energies in a space or place. So that is our Anahata, our heart chakra essence. Thank you very much.